Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset Thermador Dishwasher. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly reset your Thermador Dishwasher here? Well, this one is going to be fairly easy. So there's actually two ways for you to reset. So the first way here is to basically soft reset it, which is in this case the quickest method here. So what you need to do is you want to look for the start button on your dishwasher here, and you just need to press this for about 5 seconds. Now this will activate a 2-minute drain and cancel sequence. This case, and you want a cancel sequence to reset the cycle. Now in this case, once it's done, you try selecting new cycle to see if the dishwasher is working properly. Now in this case, the next or the other method here that you could try doing is you may want to do a deep reset or a full reset here. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically turn off your dishwasher here from the control panel, so in here, and you want to go ahead and plug the dishwasher from the power outlet. Now, if you don't have access to it, you may want to turn this off via your circuit breaker. Just make sure that power is really disconnected from your dishwasher. Now, you want to wait for around like 5 to 10 minutes here, more if you can, and allow the system to fully reset or drain the power from it. Now, once the time is up, you go and plug it back in and turn on the power for it and try selecting a new cycle and see if that works. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like, subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.